So who exactly is essential? Well, New York State has a list online showing jobs that are essential. Among them, people who work in hospitals and nursing homes, utility workers, specifically for power generation and public water. Also on that list, grocery stores and pharmacies. Now, some jobs just can't operate more than 6 feet away from one another in person. One example, people who work in a dental office. And as KCTV5's Nathan Vickers explains, there are still clinics seeing patients, though many waiting rooms are empty.
It's been a quiet week at Dr. Tim Goodhart's clinic in Raytown.
It's been a lot of busy work and a lot of administrative work, not so much dental work.
CDC guidelines for dentists have encouraged them to limit visitors to urgent care and emergencies only.
We're seeing people for toothaches, for pain, for swelling, but keeping it very limited.
But if you do need to get a tooth check, Goodhart says the dentist is one of the safest, cleanest places you can be.
Dentistry has always been kind of the major traffic area. We work in an area where there's a lot of bugs and a lot of things. We take that kind of thing serious all the time.
Next door is Creative Dental Arts. Their lab has stayed busy creating implants for patients all over the region.
This is uncharted territory in the whole dental industry.
Jim Kidd manages the lab. He says as long as they keep getting orders, they'll keep making crowns.
Essential that people can still see their dentist and get the work that they need performed so that they can have proper nutrition.
Good hygiene might be more important than ever in the coming weeks. That includes good dental habits and having access to care in an emergency.
What we don't want is people going to the emergency room with a tooth problem, because that's the worst case scenario. We don't need those folks clogging up the emergency rooms.
It's difficult for health professionals who have had to scale back. Some offices have had to furlough workers.
We just kind of have to see this through and manage it day by day. It's a very fluid situation.
Until then, dentists stress good brushing and flossing to avoid an emergency. In Raytown, Nathan Vickers, KCTV 5 News.